Building muscles depends just as much on your diet as it does on your workout. If you don't eat right, your body will have trouble putting on and maintaining muscle mass. Muscles are made of protein and constantly require more of it to build and maintain your body's present state. Similarly, when it comes to reducing your weight, meal planning can be a helpful tool. When done right, it can help you create the calorie deficit required for weight loss while providing your body the nutritious foods it needs to function and remain healthy. A new study suggests that diet is far more important than physical activities, including walking and formal exercise. When it comes to meal planning and nutrition, your goals might be to lose weight, to gain weight, to lose fat and gain muscles, or to simply live a healthy life. Whatever your goals may be, this program is meant to teach you how to reach your goals and show you what strategies and principles are proven to work. In this video, I want to teach you the so-called nutrition priorities. These are the factors of your diet that will have the biggest impact on your diet success and determine whether or not you will reach your fitness goals. In order to build a healthy diet plan to reach your fitness goals, you should have a solid foundation of these nutrition priorities. When you set up your diet, you have to follow the most important nutrition priorities and only later cover the small details. Together, these nutrition priorities will make a meal or diet plan. These nutrition priorities plays an important role in your diet, but some are a lot more important than others. Here's what this hierarchy looks like. At first we have calories, at second we have macronutrients, at third position we have meal timing, and at last we have supplements. As you can see from the hierarchy, how many calories you consume is the most important aspect of your diet and has the largest effect on your diet success. In our next lecture, we will cover the importance of calories in more detail. For now, all you need to know is that weight gain is mostly a matter of eating more calories than you burn, and weight loss is mostly a matter of eating less calories than you burn. Now at second place we have macronutrients. Macronutrients defines what you eat, or more specifically, what amount of protein, carbs and fat you consume. Getting this right is not as important as getting your calories right, but it still makes a huge difference in your meal plan, especially if you want to build muscles and lose fat. At third place we have meal timing, and it basically states when you eat. As you can see from the hierarchy, it is less important than calories and macronutrients. At the last position we have supplements. As the name suggests, supplements are meant to supplement an already good diet. No product in the world can fix the broken diet where you have your calories and macronutrients wrong and generally eats low quality food. If you focus on the important priorities first and come up with a good diet, then right supplements will further improve your diet and make it perfect. In this course, we first build a solid foundation and later add all the small improvements that will make your diet perfect. In our following lectures, we will look at each dietary priority more closely and see how exactly it can help you reach your goals.